Transfer Certificate Generator allows the institution to create customized template and generate transfer certificates using this template. Let's take an example and understand how this works. Log in as an administrator or a privileged employee and open the module of Transfer Certificate under Academics. To set a standard template, click on Certificate Template Settings. You can preview the default transfer certificate by clicking on Preview Certificate on top right. You can customize the default template by editing the header, student details, and signature or clauses. To edit the header, click on Edit button under Header. If you do not want to generate the header and have your own header which can be used, the other option, which is Do Not Generate Header, Leave Blank Space, can be selected. In this case, enter the length of the space your sheet's header is taking. Otherwise, you can select Use Header Template for Certificate option if you want Fedena to generate header. You can check or uncheck the information you want to show as part of the header. You can add extra fields as well by clicking on Add Additional Details, which will allow you to write more information. The color and size of this information can also be selected. You may also align these details to left, right, or center. Logo can be aligned to left or right, and you can edit the certificate heading, and serial number can be auto-generated by setting a prefix and initial count. Issue date can also be renamed if needed or can be hidden by unchecking the box. These header preferences can then be saved and the preview will be shown at the end. Now, to edit student details, click on Edit button under Student Details. 8 fields come by default but can be edited or deleted. In editing, you can make it dependent on existing data or make it a custom field with some validation. You can also add new fields by clicking on Add Field button. If you want to specify subfields, click on the button besides Add Field button and then click on Add Subfield. It will ask you to select the parent field, which has already been created, and then enter the subfield details. Like in this example, under guardian field, mother name field is added as a subfield. To edit the signature and clause section, click on Edit under the heading. If you do not want to generate the signature and have your own signature which can be used, the other option, which is Ignore the section, Leave Blank Space, can be selected. Otherwise, you can select Use Template for Signature Space. If you want Fedena to generate signature, edit the clause section as required and select the color and size of font. Also, the signature role can be edited or up to 3 new signatures can be added. Save these footer preferences and the settings can be checked from Preview, which shows at the end of the page. Now, we have set the template for transfer certificate. Next step will be to generate the certificates for students who leave the institute. Open the Transfer Certificate link under Academics in menu and click on Generate Certificate on the top right. You can either search the existing student by name or admission number. Otherwise, select the batch of the student or students you want to generate transfer certificate for. Click on the link of Generate Certificate in front of the former student details. You can also generate transfer certificate when you are archiving the student. It will show the same form. You will be asked to enter the customized fields, and other details which are mapped to profile data of the student cannot be edited, and then click on Proceed to Certificate. The preview of the certificate will be shown and can be edited if required. Otherwise, click on Generate Transfer Certificate button and now you can print, download or delete it. The Generate Certificate can be seen from the option of Generate Transfer Certificates, where it lists the former students and their relieving date with certificate download in